At OxiMedical, we understand your oxygen isn't just a machine, it's your lifeline. And that's why OxiMedical doesn't just deliver oxygen, we deliver peace of mind. Every machine comes with a warranty, and if your machine gets damaged, you get a working replacement right away. No waiting, no worries, and no hassles with our exclusive Drop It and Swap It accidental damage protection. Other companies make you ship your unit back to the manufacturer and wait weeks for repairs or warranty approval. And don't be fooled by companies that advertise bargain basement prices. They often charge extra for every bit of protection coverage that comes standard with OxiMedical. Once you add in those special so-called optional warranties, their prices can climb another 20 to 40%, making them far more expensive than they first appear. At OxiMedical, what you see is what you get. Real value, real protection, and real people ready to help. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to one of our customers, Sheree and her husband David, who experienced it firsthand.
There is one thing that did happen on our vacation with the small Inogen. I accidentally dropped it and it stopped working. I mean, it was a heavy drop.
Yep.
We were camping. And of course I panicked and I got right on the phone to OxiMedical. And what happened later was just absolutely wonderful. They sent to us, to our campground, via FedEx, a brand new machine. And it was overnight delivery, and it was absolutely perfect.
The device was at our camping spot, and we were 5 hours away, but it was there
when we arrived.
When we arrived.
Yeah, that is.
And I thank OxiMedical for that.
Oh yeah.
That's the OxiMedical difference. Real people, real support, and faster placement when you need it most. And with free lifetime US-based tech support, you'll always have help from experts who care. At OxiMedical, your purchase isn't the end of our relationship, it's just the beginning, because we believe peace of mind should come standard with every concentrator. We'll be there when things go right, and when they don't, as a trusted companion on your oxygen journey.